Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes.
Yes, let us prepare capital account under fluctuating capital method. As I already told you while explaining, under fluctuating capital system, no current account will be there. Remember, whenever you get current account in the examination, you should understand that it is under fixed capital method. And when they ask you to prepare capital account, then you should know that it is under fluctuating capital method. So, fluctuating capital method, no separate current account is maintained. So, all the entries are recorded in the capital account itself. So, let us prepare capital accounts of partners, capital accounts of A and B. As we have solved current account, in the same way, they will ask you in the examination as practical oriented question for 5 marks, that is, prepare capital accounts of two partners under fluctuating capital system with imaginary figures. They will ask you to prepare with 5 imaginary figures. Remember friends, whenever they tell you to prepare with 5 imaginary figures, then you must write the figures. Some students have the habit of writing XXX instead of figures. Remember that valuer may award 2 marks out of 5, or they may award 0 also. They can award 0 because it is wrong, because the question is very clear. Prepare imaginary figures. So write any figure for that matter, any imaginary figure. And let us start. Here you will see the difference. Only the difference is that here first entry will be by balance brought down, that is capital balance. Remember, balance brought down, because you will record capital balance in the capital account itself and all the additional entries also in the capital account itself. So by balance brought down, I will write here as 10,000 and 20,000, 10,000 and 20,000. Then all other entries as it is, no change. You can change the amount, 2,000, you can change 1,000, you can put a dash to this one partner, like that. So I will take all these entries as same. So all these entries, in addition to that, we can add here by interest on capital, which I have deleted. Interest on capital account. So write here 1,000 and 2,000. Now write the total. Before that, make entries on the debit side. So on the debit side, interest on drawings account, I will keep the same entry. Then you can write drawings account also, that is, if capital is withdrawn, then it is recorded in the capital account itself under fluctuating capital method. So I will write here to drawings account. Actually, while preparing in the examination, make sure that you will write the drawings account first, and then you will write the interest on drawings account. So remember this. So, and one more point, remember very clearly, that is, drawings amount should be more than interest on drawings. Sometimes students will write like drawings amount 2,000 and interest on drawings 20,000. Is it possible? More than 100% interest. Have you ever seen charging? No, never. So you should make sure that drawings, this is the technical lapse, technical problem. So technical defect it is. So make sure that drawings amount should be more than the interest on drawings. So I took drawings account amount as 20,000 and interest on drawings as 2,000. And there is no interest on drawings, so make sure don't write drawings here. Don't write drawings here. Then, now balance the account. You can take the total now. You can take the total of the credit side. Which side is greater? See, this is the balance carried down. I wrote here 22,000. Here 10, 12, 15, 16. So capital account shows debit balance if you balance this. So better to keep credit balance rather than debit balance. If you keep debit balance, no problem. Capital account can show debit balance also under fluctuating capital method. But what I will do is I will increase the salary. Let us pay more salary to Mr. A. We will pay 10,000 to Mr. A. So now the total will be 10 plus 10, 20, 23, 24,000 is the total of credit side. Clear? Then here 21, 23 and 24, 26. 26,000. Yes, write the same total on the other side. Write the same total on the other side here. So 26,000 in B's account and 24,000 in A's account. This is the final total. Find out the difference. Here 20 plus 2, 20,000 in A's account because he has already drawn the amount 20,000 and interest on drawings charged by the firm is 2,000. So 22,000, 24,000 is the total. Difference is 2,000 right here. Then here 26,000, no debit entries, so that itself is the difference. 26,000. 26,000. So this is two balance carried down balancing figure. Balancing figure. Now bring down the same balance as by balance brought down. As I already told you, don't forget to bring down the balance in board exam. Otherwise, they will deduct 1 month for that. So 2,000 here, we wrote 4,000 here. Let us change it 2,000, and here it will be 26,000. 26,000. So this is the capital accounts of partners under fluctuating capital system. So to prepare two partners capital accounts under fluctuating capital system with imaginary figures, then you should prepare like this. They will say 5 imaginary figures. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Debit interest not required. Even if these entries are not done, then also you will get full marks. But make sure that you will have 5 interests. Here only 2 interests will come: drawings and interest on drawings, drawings and interest on drawings. And on the credit side, like this, interest will appear. So you can skip any of the entries on the credit side or debit side, and make sure that the total of credit side remains greater, so that you will not get confused in the examination. Even if the debit balance comes, makes no difference, it is correct, but better to maintain credit balance in the account. So this is about the capital account and current account under fluctuating and fixed capital system. I think it's very clear now.